Сәлем достар. Бүгін сіздермен KZ. Біз бүгін 5-ші миссияны орындаймыз. Сонымен біз бастаймыз және бізге лайк басып, біздің каналға подписаться етіңіздер. Ал біз бастаймыз.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man. Man, nobody give a shit about the hood. All they do is sell gay and ruin them. Hey, beat up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
One of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure. Hey, slow down. Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling. Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
Biz қазір
Dog, I got quality shit right here.
өлтіретін боламыз.
You think you can take me on, punk? Hey, no time to clown, homie.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run. Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussy.
Now look what you done, dummy!
Ooh, wait. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Hey, what you saying? I ain't such a buster now, huh? I'm about to... Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
That's the sound of the 20 gauge. For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me. Times change.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker. Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
500 лайк басыңыздар. Біз сонымен аяқтаймыз.